So now let's see how we can utilize the guided photo text option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to apply that, I'm going to go around onto the guided tab right here. And once I go around over there, I'm going to go under Fun Edits. And then over here, you can see photo text is an option. So if I were to go around right here and then click, then what happens is that I get the tools right here. So I can simply go around and use type tool right here. And then you can type around whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around right here and then drag in a text box right here. And I'm just going to go around and type into the tube right here. You can select this text out right here, and then you can go around and select out different fonts as per how you like it right here. And then you can go around and change around the size of the text. You can also go around and type in the size right here, and that will be applied right here. You can go around right here and you can see that there's leading and tracking option that you can actually apply over here as well, and arrange this out on the left, right, or center right here, and bold this out, italicize this out, underline this out, and so forth, as you can see. But we're going to focus out on the effect now, and you can see that as I apply, we can see this is the text. You can go around and then let's say, for example, pull this out, and you can see that there's like a window on this text right here, and you can see the image behind it right there. You can also go around and then apply this out. So let me just go around and press the check mark. You can fill it out right here or fit it out, as you can see, just like this. So let me just go around and double click right here, just like this, and then let me just resize this. As you can see, press the check mark, and you can go around and fill this out over here, just like this as well, and pull this out even further right here, just like that. So let me just go around and pull this out right here and place it wherever I want. You can go around and select different type of backgrounds over here as well, but for that I'm going to press the check mark and click on black to make it black, white, or clear, as you can see. So let me just keep it black right here, and you can go around and crop the image out over here as well, just like this, and then it is cropped out right there. You can go around and place this wherever you want, just like that, and you can resize out the image right here and place it wherever you want right here as well. So once you do that, you can go around and press the checkmark button right here, and you can add in, let's say, for example, effects right here, like different type of effects. As you can see, you can go around, apply medium type of effect or large type of effect right over here, just like that as well. So once you go around and do that, you can go to advanced, and then there's different options, as you can see. So there's like drop shadows that you can add in, but to see it, I'm going to go to white. So if I were to go to drop shadow, you can see that you can work around with the shadow settings right here, just like this, and adjust out the shadows. You can work around with the opacity right here, and you can even work around with the inner glow and outer glow over here as well. So you can work around with the size of the glow right here, just like this. So there's like opacity right here. There's like outer glows that you can add in, and even choose out the color of the glow right here, just like that. There's the bevel that you can enable and disable, and stroke that you can enable and disable over here as well. You can enable out the stroke right here and select out different colors right here, just like this, and that is what you have. You can change around the position of the stroke to be inside or center or outside right here, just like this, and then just go around and apply right here, and then this is what you have. So once you're happy, you can go around and click next, and this is what you have, as you can see, and you can continue editing this either in quick or in expert mode. So that is how you can use the guided photo text option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.